What's up, everybody? This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So I started my YouTube channel back in 2015. And my whole YouTube channel, I did a lot of filming with my smartphone. And over the years, I've used my smartphone as my primary device of choice when filming. Well, now it's 2020 and I'm making some changes. Let me explain. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So in 2015, I started my YouTube channel using smartphones. Smartphones was really good as far as filming and photography. And I ran my entire YouTube channel based off of smartphones. And it has been a really good ride using smartphones to film a lot of my YouTube videos. But in 2020, it's time for me to make a change. Let me explain why smartphones right now, for me, is not what it used to be back in the day. Companies have now done some modifications with smartphones. Yes, we start to see more cameras. We start to see telephoto lens, wide angle lens, extra wide angle lens, all kinds of different sensors on devices. We're starting to see a lot of things go on with devices and to make the photography really good. And it enhances a lot of different elements with smartphone cameras. But there's some things that they took away from smartphone cameras that takes, like us filmmakers, that we don't like, and that's called pro mode or manual mode. Most of the devices that came out in 2019 that got all these enhancements and all these cameras, it took away pro mode. Now for me, pro mode is very important, especially as a filmmaker that use smartphones a lot. Now I am an advocate of using Filmic Pro. Filmic Pro has been a professional software for me when it comes down to video and cinematic footage on the smartphone. Well, now it's time for me to make a change. I'm gonna tell you why Filmic Pro is great for a smartphone, but it's not the win-all be-all. Because here's the thing, I believe that companies has to have like pro software in their native camera app. They need to have manual mode in the native camera app. You shouldn't have to resort to third-party software to get what you need as far as filming. And one of the hugest issues of using Filmic Pro with smartphones, and the companies don't allow you to use the optical image stabilization, which is a huge bummer. So if you use apps like Filmic Pro or Moment, you have to use a gimbal, because if you're walking around, if you're doing something, you have a lot of shakiness and stuff like that when you use the third-party apps. But when you use the native camera app, it used the optical image stabilization, which is fantastic. But unfortunately, when you use the third-party apps, you run into these issues of not having optical image stabilization, so you will have jumpy footage. That's why you need to invest in a gimbal. Now, for me, that worked out over the years, but now it's time for me to make a change. So the changes that I'm making, instead of going for smartphones, now I am going full-fledged with DSLR cameras and mirrorless cameras. And I believe that this is the next generation, or the next level for my YouTube channel, is to go from using a smartphone to a DSLR professional camera and using professional lenses and stuff like that to elevate my YouTube channel. Look, don't get me wrong. I would still use smartphones here and there to do some footage, you know, as I always did. But I am going to make a shift from using smartphones to using professional cameras when filming and using my YouTube channel. And you know what? I think this is going to be a great addition. This is a level up from me using a smartphone to using a professional DSLR. I am a person that loves smartphone cameras and photography, but to elevate this YouTube channel to go to the next level, I have to make some changes. And this is one of the changes that I think is going to be a great change, a great addition to this YouTube channel. So I wanted to make this video so y'all guys, because I like to be transparent with you guys as a tech preacher, to let you guys know that, you know, I'm not too disappointed in smartphones and photography and video, but I've seen a shift in smartphones, even with they putting all these camera lenses and 108 megapixel cameras and all that stuff like that. One of the key features that they're missing is Pro mode and manual mode in the native camera app. Now, look, you can always use third-party apps, which is fine. But the native camera app is the software intertwined with the device. And not having optical image stabilization and not having this and not having that in the native camera app is really bad. And I'm going to continue to use Filmic Pro when I use my smartphones. But to elevate this channel to the next level, guys, I am going to go all in to professional DSLRs, and I'm going all in to elevate this channel to the next level. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about me switching from smartphone videoing to DSLRs full-time on this YouTube channel. See you guys on the next video. Peace.